Hey, we've got two physics classroom activities. One, to identify types of energy, and two, to identify changes in those types of energy. So both changing. So this is name that energy. I've chosen, you can choose master for 8 questions or wizard for 8 questions. Apprentice, out of there. Okay, so I've got kinetic energy, gravitational potential energy, and the wizard has kinetic, potential, and elastic potential energy. So I'll go master, and I'll just do one of these, okay? Remember, one of the most important things about these is please read up here before you go there. So identify whether the bold-faced object described below possesses kinetic, gravitational potential energy, both forms of energy, or neither form of energy. So a dragster accelerates along a drag strip to a high speed. So first of all, I see speed, so it's definitely got kinetic energy. It says along the drag strip. So to me, drag strips are nice and level, so there's no change in potential energy. So I've eliminated gravitational potential, thus both. And clearly I do have energy because I have speed. So that's how I kind of go about it. Okay. All right. Made it, first one. So let's just peek into this. So again, maybe that statement is just general. An eagle is soaring above the river looking for an easy catch. When I see soaring, I think speed. It doesn't talk about diving, so but it is up in the air, so I think it's got gravitational and kinetic because it's moving, and it's above in the air. So both of these. Okay. So that is just identifying types of energy. So then we'll close out of that. And then energy change. So this is a thing for this one. You have the option of either doing apprentice along with master for 12 total, or 12 total, okay, with wizard. I'll go here. Again, when you guys get completed, I want full selection, okay? I'm tired of just getting kind of people working the system with just selecting master, like just the cups themselves, okay? But I'm going to go in here and I'm going to read this again. Read the description of the motion of the bold-faced object. Decide if I've got kinetic energy, gravitational potential energy increasing, decreasing, or remaining constant. So I've got a ball falling from the second floor balcony to the floor below. So I'm at the second floor. I've got potential energy. Is it increasing or decreasing as it falls? I say it decreases. And what's happening to the speed of the ball as I drop it? It's increasing. So we should be good to go. So that's kind of the process for this last one, or the second one. A car skids to a stop along a level roadway. So to me, potential energy, constant. It's level. It's not changing elevation. It's not changing its position. And then it's skidding to a stop, so I'm going from faster to slower, decreasing. Okay? All right. I can do this. So those are the 2 activities. I don't think too complex, so I hope it goes well. And we'll get ready for conservation of energy tomorrow. See ya.